Welcome to Veranda IAS. In today VeClarify session, we are going to address a question on science and technology. And the question is, what are actually the black holes? The answer is, the black holes are actually the erstwhile stars. Due to the collision of hydrogen and helium, stars usually emit a large amount of energy. This energy is known as radiation. There is always a balance between the radiation of the stars and the gravity of the stars. During the last stage of the life of a star, this balance got disrupted and the stars will get to explode. Due to this explosion, the star will either turn into a neutron star or it will turn into a black hole if the star is so massive. The black hole will either rotate in clockwise or anti-clockwise in direction or sometimes in both the direction. The outer region of the black hole is known as ergosphere. Consider a black hole as a shape of a funnel. The entrance of the black hole is known as the event horizon and the lowermost point of the black hole is known as singularity. Any object which passes through this event horizon will get sucked into the black hole due to its vast and strong gravity. Even light which enters into the event horizon will never get passed out of the black hole. Hence, the black holes are always invisible in nature. Black holes are present in hundreds of number in a galaxy. In our galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy, we have hundreds of black holes. There will be mandatorily a supermassive black hole present at the center of each and every galaxy. Such supermassive black hole of our Milky Way galaxy is known as Sagittarius A. We can have a question that whether Sun, the star of our solar system, can it become a black hole? Then the answer is no, because Sun is not so massive enough to become a black hole. Sun, during its last stage of life, will turn into a planetary nebula and will eventually end up as a white dwarf. Hence, Sun will never turn into a black hole. Hope we clarified this. Let's meet in the next VeClarify session. Thank you.